Invention is an act of determination to go where you couldn't before.
Concurrent viewers, so the total number of people that were watching at any given point, how much watch time this earned for your channel, duration, and so on. Now, the process for live streaming on your mobile is very, very similar, but there are some requirements or restrictions that you will need to meet that you don't need to meet on desktop. So if we scroll down here, this is YouTube's article on what those requirements are. To live stream on mobile, you need to have 50 subscribers on your channel and no live streaming restrictions that have been applied to your channel in the last 90 days. Again, you need to verify your channel, which I took you through the process to do that, showing you on desktop. So the process is exactly the same here. And you also might need to wait 24 hours before you can start your first live stream, meaning that when you go through what I'm going to show you here, the very first time, it actually won't let you hit go live. It's going to make you wait 24 hours as a security thing so that people just aren't creating random accounts, I guess buying subscribers and then just going live. But it's also worth noting, if we come a little bit further down, if you have under 1,000 subscribers on your channel, to help keep YouTube a safe community for everyone, they may limit the number of viewers on your mobile live stream. So again, not a deal breaker, but something that you need to be aware of. There's also a workaround for this, which I'll be sharing with you very, very soon. Okay, so over on your phone, and this process is the same whether you're on iOS or Android, you want to open up the YouTube app, come down the bottom middle to that plus button and hit go live. Here we go, we're on camera. Now in here, again, we can add a title, test stream. We can choose if our video is going to be unlisted or public. In here, I'm going to go our webcam and our microphone, and we can see in the background that it is pulling in our webcam. Live streaming enabled on your channel. So you want to click on your profile picture in the top right hand corner, come down to YouTube Studio, come down to settings, then to channel. Let's go over to feature eligibility. You want to make sure that you've verified your channel, which is this bottom section here. So if we click on this, we can see that because our channel is verified, we have access to live streaming. So if your channel isn't verified yet, there will be a button over here for you to verify your channel. With that out of the way, we can close that out. We just want to come up the top here to create, and then we can choose go live. So if we just want to go live right now, then we come over here to webcam. We give it permission to access our webcam and our microphone, and we can see in the background that it is pulling in our webcam feed. From here, we want to give our YouTube live stream a title and a description. We can then upload a thumbnail image just as you would with a regular YouTube video. So I would recommend that you are doing that. So we can click on this, go ahead and find our thumbnail image and hit open. We can add our live stream to a playlist if we'd like. And we also need to specify here if our live stream is made for kids. So you've just got a yes or no down the bottom here. So we're gonna leave this as no. Now you'll probably find that a lot of these settings
What if I told you that you can use motion array to improve your videos fast? For example, you can create
I'm going to show you how to get live on YouTube. And if you're absolutely new to streaming, then you might want to check out my Skillshare course. I'll put a link in the description, and it will teach you how to start streaming if you don't have any experience. And you can also learn how to record content as well. But if you know how to use OBS and set up scenes and be ready to stream, I'm going to show you how to do that on YouTube. All right, I'm not going to waste your time. I'm going to show you really quickly how this is done. So if you're on YouTube and you're logged into your channel, you can go up here to the top with this little create button, click that and click go live. If you're in the YouTube studio, by clicking your profile and going to YouTube studio, you can also do it there. You can click up here at create and go live, or you can click this little go live button right here. They all take you to the same place, and they ask you a question right off the bat. Are you going to stream right now? Or are you going to stream at a later date? What's really cool about saying you're going to stream at a later date is you can upload a thumbnail. It'll have the actual URL of where the stream is going to be, so you can share that in advance. And you can basically set a time that if they visit the link, will have a countdown timer showing how long until you go live. So if you know you're going to go live at a specific date or time, then you can actually schedule. But if you just want to get ready to go live now, you click right now, click start. And what's cute here is that YouTube will actually just allow you to stream from the browser with a webcam. But really this video is geared towards people who are using a streaming software like OBS. So you'll go to streaming software and you'll click go. And this is basically your mission control of your stream on the YouTube side. This is like your creator dashboard. And it'll see, you have a little preview here that's waiting for a signal from your OBS. If you want to edit The just early information that people will see, you click edit here, and you can give your stream a title. You can enter in your description. In customization, you can turn the chat on or off if you want chatters. If you want to limit your stream to just your subscribers, you can do that. And if your channel is monetized, you can go into monetization and you can turn that on if you like. Your chat is also going to be here on the right, so when you're live, you can talk to your chat. Now, the things that streamers are normally looking for here is the stream key. We can find that right here, and you can click copy, and now it's copied to your clipboard, so you can paste it in OBS. Just remember, guys, don't show your stream key when you're live in your stream or to anyone you don't trust, because that gives them access to stream on your channel without even needing to be logged into your YouTube channel. So super private information. Now, your stream latency is normal latency or low latency. If you have low latency selected, then that's basically saying that you want your interaction with chat to be faster. You want to be able to ask them a question, have them reply in the chat, and have that interaction happen as quickly as possible. If you're not too concerned about that, you can use normal latency. Sometimes it actually helps the stream just behave more stable, less buffering and loading and things like that. Now, if you want to increase the delay, you can go to add a delay here, and you can choose to add 30 seconds or a minute delay to your stream. And then if you want your stream to be available to re-watch after you go offline, then that happens by default. But if you want to turn that off so that you can then do other things with that replay before making it public again, or maybe edit the whole thing and publish it as an edited version, then you use this toggle here for unlist live replay. Once stream ends, you turn that on, and then it's going to be unlisted once you go offline, and you can do what you want to do. Okay, so now let's connect OBS with YouTube. Remember, again, stream key over here, click copy so it's on your clipboard, and now we'll go to OBS. All right, so we got my scene set up and all that stuff. And like I said, if you don't know how to stream, check out my Skillshare course or any of my other videos on my YouTube channel here, and you'll find all kinds of instructions on how to use OBS. We'll go into settings, we'll go to stream, click the service, and you can go to YouTube, paste your stream key in there, and click apply and OK. And then when you're ready, click start streaming. You can then go back to paste your stream key in there. We'll go to stream, click the service, and you can go to YouTube, paste your stream key in there, and click apply and OK.